A for
A for
Arjun.
Arjun.
A for
Apple.
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 Apple means seed.
Apple means tea.
B for
B for
Balram.
Balam.
B for
B for
banana.
banana.
Banana means kela.
Banana means kela.
C for
C for
car.
car.
Car means gaadi.
Car means tali.
C for
C for
cap.
cap.
Cap means topi.
Cap means topi.
D for
D for
doll.
doll.
Doll means guriya.
Doll means guriya.
D for
D for
diamond.
diamond.
Diamond means hira.
Diamond means hira.
E for
E for
earring.
earring.
Earring means कान की बाली.
Earring means कान की बाली.
E for
E for
elephant.
elephant.
Elephant means हाथी.
Elephant means हाथी.
F for
Apple.
fan.
Fan.
Fan means पंखा.
Fan means पंखा.
F for
Apple.
frog.
Blood.
Frog means मेढक.
Blood means मेढक.
G for
G for
gun.
gun.
Gun means बंदूक.
Gun means बंदूक.
G for
G for
grapes.
grapes.
Grapes means अंगूर.
Grapes means अंगूर.
H for
H for
hen.
hen.
Hen means मुर्गी.
Hen means मुर्गी.
H for
H for
hut.
hut.
Hut means झोपड़ी.
Hut means झोपड़ी.
I for
I for
ice.
ice.
Ice means बर्फ.
Ice means bulb.
I for
I for
inkpot.
import.
Inkpot means दवात.
Import means दवात.
J for
J for
joker.
joker.
Joker means joker.
Joker means total. For
J for
J for
jug.
dad.
Jug means mug.
That means mother.
K for
K for
kite.
dad.
Kite means पतंग.
That means patang.
K for
K for
king.
king.
King means राजा.
King means raja.
L for
L for
lion.
lion.
Lion means शेर.
Lion means king.
L for
L for
लीची.
lychee.
लीची means लीची.
Lychee means lychee.
M for
M for
mango.
meadow.
Mango means आम.
Meadow means आम.
M for
M for
marigold.
marigold.
Marigold means गेंदा का फूल.
Marigold means गेंदा का फूल.
N for
N for
net.
net.
Net means जाल.
Net means जाल.
N for
N for
nest.
nest.
Nest means घोंसला.
Nest means घोंसला.
O for
O for
orange.
orange.
Orange means संतरा.
Orange means संतरा.
O for
O for
owl.
owl.
Owl means उल्लू.
Owl means उल्लू.
P for
P for
papaya.
papaya.
Papaya means पपीता.
Papaya means पपीता.
P for
P for
parrot.
parrot.
Parrot means तोता.
Parrot means तोता.
Q Q for
Q for
Queen.
Queen.
Queen means Rani.
Queen means Rani.
Q for
Q for
Quiet.
Quiet.
Quiet means चुप रहना.
Quiet means to plan.
R for
R for
Rose.
Rose.
Rose means गुलाब.
Rose means gulab.
R for
R for
Rat.
Rat.
Rat means चूहा.
Rat means chua.
S for
S for
Sugar candy.
sugar candy.
Sugar candy means गन्ना.
Sugar candy means tanna.
S for
S for
Sun.
sun.
Sun means सूरज.
Sun means सूरज.
T for
T for
Tiger.
tiger.
Tiger means बाघ.
Tiger means part.
T for Tooth.
Tooth.
Tooth means दांत.
Tooth means दांत.
U for
U for
Umbrella.
umbrella.
Umbrella means छाता.
Umbrella means छाता.
U for
U for
Uniform.
uniform.
Uniform means dress.
Uniform means dress.
V for
V for
Van.
van.
Van means गाड़ी.
Van means गाड़ी.
V for
Violet.
Violet. Violet means बैगनी तितली.
Violet means बैगनी तितली.
W for Watch. Watch means घड़ी.
Watch means घड़ी.
W for White.
White
means सफेद.
White means सफेद.
X for Xmas tree.
Xmas tree.
Xmas tree means Christmas tree.
Xmas tree means Christmas tree.
X for Refox. Refox means तलवार.
Refox means तलवार.
Y for
Yacht.
Yacht means नाव.
Yacht means now.
Y for Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow means पीला.
Yellow means पीला.
Z for Zebra. Zebra means एक प्रकार का घोड़ा.
Zebra means एक प्रकार का घोड़ा.
Z for Zoo.
Zoo.
Zoo means चिड़ियाघर.
Zoo means चिड़ियाघर.